HD60X. And we're gonna unpack it and we're gonna see how it works and how we can set it up. We need to open it here. All right, now we can pull it out. Little paper. And we see the instructions for setting it up here. We've got some cables, USB to USB-C cable here. This seems to be HDMI to HDMI. And this is the capture card itself. I do have to say, when I saw the box, I thought it was going to be bigger, but you know, if it's smaller, it's better because then it takes up less space, right? And we can see that on this side, there are 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB-C. The USB-C is for the USB-C cable that goes to your PC. Then we have an HDMI in, which goes from your console to the capture card. And we have an HDMI out, which goes from your capture card through your screen to actually show you the footage. And there's also a sticker included. And I think this is a little warranty guide. And I think that's it. Yeah. Because we don't need instructions because they're on the box right here. It basically says the same as I did with the in and out and the USB. That's about it.